Greetings, Trigon shareholders and other stakeholders. Want to draw your attention to a recent press release. We've achieved a very significant milestone for us as a company, and really de-risked our whole operation at Kombat, hitting the milestone of over 900 tons per day out of the underground over a 30-day period. This was a specific trip point in our streaming agreement, where we needed to achieve this level of production from the underground by October of 2025, in order to prevent the stream or a portion of the stream to be converted back into a loan. By achieving this now, this secures the stream as a stream and no longer presents that same risk for us as a mining company.
Extremely proud of the team and their achievement. It's taken a lot of hard work since February, beginning of this year, to achieve it. Given the fact that it's 900 tons a day, and our milling throughput capacity is at the similar level, that has allowed us the opportunity to pause open pit at the end of the month, given the fact that the stripping ratio is fairly comparable to the mining cost from underground, but underground's contribution on a grade basis is almost double that of the open pit, therefore leading to being able to reduce costs in the long run, but also increase production going forward, if we're able to maintain those levels for the next quarters. Important to note as well, the feasibility study had underground only performing at 15,000 tons per month over the 2025 financial year. We've been able to ramp it up effectively to 27,000 over a 30-day average period, which is a significant achievement for the team, and well done to him.
Yeah. So essentially, we've almost doubled the planned production from the underground. And those of you who've been following, we've been talking about this really from the onset of underground production, that we would bias more production to the underground. And this milestone is really evidence of how far we've been able to take it. And just to reiterate what you're saying, Rennie, like if we're mining over 2% from the underground versus 1% in the open pit, constrained to the size of mill that we have, 1,000 tons per day, every ton of underground ore produces 2 times as much copper. It was the right thing to do. I want to definitely thank Talela, our open pit mining contractor, who has worked with us now over 4 years, both in the stripping and the mining of the underground. This is really a pause in open pit production. It's something that we're going to be continuing to evaluate as we continue exploration at surface, and also looking at the throughput.
Thank you very much, Ed. I would add to that as well that over the last couple of weeks, the open pit has performed as well. We expecting a significant amount of ore to be coming out before the end of the month. That has allowed us to create a buffer of material, whilst underground has been performing exceptionally well as well. Our current rolling average is actually exceeds the 900 tons. We above 1,000 tons at the moment. But that buffer is a nice cushion to have for future production and to ensure continuity. Really,
I think a meaningful piece to what's occurred here is the de-risking. It was good of us to be able to put this stream in place. It brought the mine back into production and gave us the capital that we needed to do so. With it, there was a certain level of risk, and hitting this production milestone removes that risk. So again, congrats to the team.
A lot of hard work that went into it from the team, Jed, and a lot of committed people on their side.